Hi students, today we will see the topic Human Evolution and Society, Part 2 from 9th Standard History First Lesson. Prehistoric Tamilagam divided into Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture, Neolithic culture. Paleolithic culture also divided into two groups. Lower Paleolithic 2 to 1.5 million years ago. Middle Paleolithic 9,85,000 years to 1,72,000 years ago. Lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. One of the oldest Stone Age tools in the world, made by human ancestors called hominins, had been produced in Tamil Nadu. These stone tools found near the Chennai region at several sites, especially at Athirampakkam. The Kosasthalayar River is one of the major cradles of human ancestors in the world. The people who lived here belonged to the species of Homo erectus. In 1863, Sir Robert Froostfoot, a geologist from England, first discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. The tools that he discovered are now housed in the Chennai Museum. The Paleolithic people hunted wild animals and gathered the naturally available fruits, roots, nuts, and leaves. They did not have knowledge of iron and pottery making, which developed much later in history. Hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic period. These tools, fitted with a wooden and bone handle, were used for cutting, piercing, and digging. Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In the course of time, the Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu, at T. Pudupatti and Sivarakottai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyalur, similar artifacts have been found. Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The cultural period occurs between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture. It is known as Mesolithic culture or Middle Stone Age. Evidence for the existence of Mesolithic hunter-gatherers is found at Chennai, North Arcot, Dharmaburi, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli, and Kanyakumari. The Theris site near Thoothukudi have evidence of microlithic artifacts. These sites have red sand dunes called Theris. The people of this period use small artifacts. Scrapers. They are the tools used for scraping surface. Scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. Triangles or tools in the shape of triangles. Lunettes or tools in the shape of a crescent. Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic. It is known as the New Stone Age. Cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in small villages with houses made of thatched roof and walls plastered with clay. Evidence of Neolithic villages found at Payyambally in Vellore district and a few sites in the Dharmaburi region. Iron Age or Megalithic period. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people. An exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. The evidence for Iron Age is found at many sites including Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district, Sanur near Madurantakam, and Chittanavasal near Pudukottai. Megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic, since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. They may be called memorial burials. Grave goods or the objects placed in the burials along with the physical remains of the dead. People may have believed that these would be useful in the afterlife. Classification of the burials. The burial types are classified as dolmens, chists, menhirs, rock-cut caves, urn burials, and sarcophagus. Types of burials. The burial types of Kodakal, umbrella stone, topical, headstone, and pathikal, hood stone are found in Kerala. Agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were cultivated. Irrigation management developed in this period. Pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make black ware and red ware pottery. Potteries were used for cooking, storage, and dining purpose. Iron technology and metal tools. Some of the objects were hofted to wooden or bone or horn handles are used. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering, and in battles. Bronze bowls, vessels, and stylish funnels decorated with animals and birds. Bronze mirrors and bells have also been found. Thank you students for watching this video.